Welcome to Math Dali. Good day, everyone. I'm teacher Archibald B. Claro. I will be demonstrating a grade 8 mathematics lesson on solving system of linear equations in two variables using substitution method. So without further ado, let's start. At the end of this video, you are able to solve system of linear equations in two variables using substitution method correctly, demonstrate perseverance in solving system of linear equations using the substitution method diligently, performs the substitution steps for a given system of equations clearly. Keep these objectives in mind as we go along to our discussion. Are you ready? Before we proceed, let us have a short drill. Directions. Rewrite your equation by isolating the indicated variable. Write your answers on a separate sheet of paper and show your complete solutions. You may pause the video and try answer. I'll give you few seconds. These are the answers. How many answers did you get correct? Very good. These skills are important because substitution requires isolating a variable first. Before moving on, let us recall our previous lesson. What was our lesson last meeting? Very good. Our lesson last meeting is all about system of linear equations and the graphing method. What insights did you get from that lesson? Exactly. Solving equations help us find unknown values. When two linear equations are graphed on the same coordinate plane, the solutions is the point where the lines intersect. If the lines intersect once, there is one solution. If they are parallel, there is no solutions. If they overlap, then there are infinitely many solutions. And today, we will learn finding a solution using another method, which is substitution method. Class, look at the pictures on the screen. What do you notice about the picture? What do you think the apples and bananas represent? How can we use these relationships shown in the picture to form equations? Can you identify two equations based on what you see? How can we find the value of each fruit? When we look at pictures like this, we are actually dealing with numbers that follows a certain pattern or relationship. Just like this logic puzzle. Many real-life situations can be represented using equations that work together. This leads us to our lesson for today. Solving problems involving system of linear equations using substitution method. A system of linear equations in two variables consists of two equations that are related and share the same variables. Solving the system means finding the values of the variables that satisfy both equations at the same time. As a learner, it is important to understand how to solve such systems using the substitution method, as this method allows us to express one variable in terms of the other and find precise solutions efficiently.
Look at these equations. Try to pause the video and find the solutions. Notice that the second equation is already solved in terms of y. Now, let's try to substitute equation 2 to our equation 1. We have x plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 12. Now solve for x is equal to 12 plus 6 is equal to x is equal to 9 over 2. This is now our equation 3. Now substitute back equation 3 to equation 2. We have now y is equal to 3 times 9 over 2 minus 6. And the value of y is equals to 15 over 2. Now we have now the solutions are 9 over 2 and 15 over 2.
Let us reflect. What was the first step you did? How did isolating one variable help? After substitution, what happened to the number of variables? Correct. Substitutions reduces two variables into one, making the equations easier to solve. A system of linear equations is a set of two or more equations that have the same variables. One method to solve a system of linear equations is the substitution method, which contains the following steps. First, we isolate one of the equations for a variable. Next, we substitute the expression into the other equation. Then, we solve the resulting equations to find the value of one variable. After that, we substitute back the value back to find the other variable. Finally, we verify the ordered pairs in both equations to verify our answers. The substitution method helps us the solution of the system by replacing one variable with an equivalent expression. Substitution method, we have 5 steps. The ISSSV. I for isolating, S for substitute, S for solve, S for substitute back, and V for verify. ISSSV. Math delete. I think you are ready. Let's apply what you've learned. In groups, solve the systems in column A, match them in column B, and decode the secret word. Work collaboratively and check each other's solution. In groups, solve system of linear equations listed in column A using the substitution method. After solving each system, match the solution to the correct order pair in column B. Once all matches are complete, use the code provided at the bottom to arrange the letter in order to reveal the secret word. The secret word is system. I think you're ready to solve some problems independently. Now, let's have some evaluation. Look at the screen. Solve each system of equations using substitution method. Show your complete solution. You can pause the video and try to solve this problem in 1/2 sheet of paper. I think you're done. Very good. To summarize, the system of equations involve two equations and two variables. The substitution method involves 5 steps. The I, S, 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 V. I for isolate, S for substitute, S for solve, S for substitute back, and V for verify. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and participating in our lesson. This has been solving system of linear equations using the substitution method. See you in our next lesson. Goodbye.